This is what it's all about: exploring, adventuring, leaving the work week behind. We work hard, but out here, we play even harder. With our Jeeps, good friends, and the open trail ahead, this is our way of decompressing, swapping deadlines for dirt roads and stress for the thrill of the unknown. We chose the Helldiver Trail because we wanted more than just a drive. We wanted a challenge. Known for its rugged terrain and rewarding views, this trail promised to test both our Jeeps and our determination.
Driver, feel slow, you're about to come off a drop.
Starting in Nanaimo, we hit the highway. As we made our way down Helldiver, we quickly realized it wasn't quite what we expected. It was mostly just a gravel road. But the real adventure started when we spotted a network of side trails branching off, each one with its own character. Names like Tom and Jerry caught our attention, promising the kind of off-roading fun we were really looking for. The gravel road became our gateway to something much more exciting. As we started the Jerry Trail, we were immediately met with obstacles. Slippery exposed rock, loose gravel, tree roots, and stumps scattered across our path. To my surprise, Mike's stock Rubicon kept pace with the pack. In this shot, you can see Mike's Rubicon tackle a massive tree stump to the right of the trail with ease. It was an impressive display of capability as we made our ascent to the summit. One of the best things about hitting the trail with friends is seeing everyone genuinely enjoy themselves. Moments like these remind me of why I love this hobby. After navigating a tight patch of trail, we arrived at the base of our next steep climb, and what awaited us at the top was a challenge like no other.
Start going a little bit more passenger. Looking a little hard, passenger. Other passenger.
The descent on the other side was steep and slick, demanding our full attention and careful maneuvering to avoid rolling our Jeeps. These heart-pounding moments are what makes off-roading so thrilling.
You're gonna have to back up the whole stump here.
Yep, keep going. Following the white-knuckle descent, we faced yet another obstacle. This is where our good spotter becomes invaluable.
This is gonna be a drop. Okay, carefully go towards driver now.
Guidance through tricky sections helps avoid damage to the undercarriage.
Perfect line on that.
With some teamwork, we made it through.
That's wheeling.
The final portion of the trail was a mix of off-camber challenges and moderate obstacles. We managed to power through, no spotting needed. As the trail came to an end, we found ourselves on a logging road that led to a mountain shelf. This was the perfect spot for a campfire and a quick snack before heading back to town. If you love adventure as much as we do, drop a comment below and let us know your favorite part of this trip. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next adventure, where we'll be exploring one of the most beautiful places in Canada, Tofino, BC. We're on a mission to grow the Driving with Stu community to 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. But we can't do it without your support. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.